everybody, welcome back to Midvale Minis. Last week we worked on the upstairs of the Colonial Shop, and this week I'm going to be focusing on the downstairs of the shop. I'm going to be refurbishing a whole bunch of furniture that's going to go in there. Each one of these pieces I got for $5 or less, and they just need a little bit of love. So come with me as we refurbish some dollhouse furniture. Here's the first piece. This is a corner cupboard. It's in really good condition, except the door has fallen off because a little piece of it has broken off. So I'm gonna have to repair that and sand it up and paint it, but I'm gonna put it in the corner right now. Next piece is this lovely cabinet, which again has a broken off door. Otherwise, it's in perfect condition. So I'm gonna figure out how to fix the door, and it's going right there. The next piece is going to be the counter. This is in perfect condition. I just need to sand it and repaint it. This piece has a lot of tacky wax and dirt on it, and it just needs a really good cleaning and to be repainted. And then this table is going to go into the center, and I'm going to be fixing that one up as well. And this is where all the pieces are going to go. The place in the corner is going to have another shelving unit, but it doesn't need to be fixed up, so I didn't include it. The rest of these pieces just need a little love and a little fixing up, and they're going to look fantastic. And then there's this cute little table, which I absolutely love, and it's just going to go right by the door. And this is what it's going to look like. This piece I actually got for free from a friend of mine. It's covered in tacky wax and it needs to be cleaned up. It is made out of wood and it's missing a piece on the bottom. I'm just going to paint right over that. First, I remove all of the tacky wax with a butter knife. I'm using the back of the butter knife so it doesn't scratch the piece of furniture. It's already looking so much better. Next, I'm going to take a bowl of soapy water and a paper towel, and I'm going to give it a good cleaning. And here it is, good as new. Next, I'm going to give it a good sanding with a low grit sandpaper. Then I'm going to clean it off with a damp paper towel. This is the color I'm going to start with. It's called Toasted Terracotta. Here's what it's looking like. It's a little more orange than I was expecting. I'm trying to match a color like this because these are the items that are going to be in the shop. So I'm going to add a little more brown to it. And a little red. And this is what the second coat looks like. This is a lot closer to the color I was going for, so I'm really pleased with it. Let's put it in the shop and see what we think. Okay, I couldn't be happier with this color. It absolutely pops against the white wall. I have a lot more accessories to put on this shelf and the whole rest of the room, so don't miss my next episode, which will be out next week. I hope you're having a fantastic week. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye!